Time travel is a way of escaping the prison of the present. It allows us to imagine a future where the impossible becomes possible. Time travel. Is it possible according to science? Hey there, fellow curious minds. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most captivating topics in the realm of science: time travel. We've all dreamt of it, seen it in movies, and read about it in books. But the big question is, can we actually time travel? In this video, we're going to explore this concept, break it down without diving into jargon, and see if it's really possible according to science. So, let's embark on this incredible journey through the fabric of time. The first thing we have is the fascination with time travel. Before we get into the science, let's acknowledge why time travel captures our imaginations. We all have regrets, moments we'd love to relive, or opportunities we'd like to change. The idea of going back or forward in time to alter our past or glimpse into the future is irresistible. The second thing we have is the arrow of time. Now, here's where it gets interesting. According to our current understanding of physics, time seems to flow in one direction forward. This is what scientists call the arrow of time. We experience the past as something that has already happened, the present as what's happening now, and the future as what's yet to come. It's like a river that only flows downstream. The third thing we have is the theory of relativity. To comprehend time travel, we need to look at Einstein's theory of relativity. It explains that time is not a constant, but rather, it's relative. When you're moving at high speeds or in strong gravitational fields, time actually slows down compared to an observer in a different frame of reference. This is called time dilation. The fourth thing we have is time travel into the future. Here's the good news. According to Einstein's theory, we can technically travel into the future. If you were on a spaceship traveling close to the speed of light and returned to Earth, you'd find that less time has passed for you compared to everyone on Earth. You'd have effectively time traveled into the future. The fifth thing we have is the grandfather paradox. And here's the big but, traveling into the past is where things get tricky. The grandfather paradox is a classic example. If you were to travel back in time and accidentally prevent your own grandfather from meeting your grandmother, it creates a paradox. If your grandparents never met, then logically, your parents wouldn't have been born, which means you wouldn't have been born to travel back in time in the first place. The sixth thing we have is the wormholes and theoretical possibilities. Now, some physicists propose that wormholes, shortcuts through space and time, could theoretically allow for time travel. And it's a big but, again, wormholes remain purely theoretical, and there's no experimental evidence to prove their existence. Plus, even if they do exist, we'd need an enormous amount of energy to keep them stable. The last thing we have is the ethical and philosophical dilemmas. Beyond the science, there are profound ethical and philosophical questions surrounding time travel. If we could change the past, should we? What are the consequences? Would it create alternate timelines? These questions are as important as the science itself. So, the conclusion that are coming of our conversation are very interesting. So, here's the bottom line. While time travel into the future is theoretically possible according to our current understanding of physics, traveling to the past remains a mystery, fraught with paradoxes and uncertainties. It's a tantalizing concept that captures our imaginations, but for now, it's firmly in the realm of science fiction. Thanks for joining us on this thought-provoking journey through time and the science behind time travel. If you found this video as fascinating as we did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more intriguing content, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the universe. If you really like this video, then please hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching.